The best lessons aren't always taught in a classroom. They're learned through doing, through asking questions of advisors and mentors, from collaboration with those who are going through the same experiences you are having. For students, College Elm is more than a quiet place to work. It's an innovation hub with access to valuable resources that assist with bringing ideas to life.
Yeah, no, it's very welcoming. There's a ton of resources here. And if you meet enough of the people, you'll probably find yourself coming around a lot.
For the entrepreneurs and professionals in our mentor network, it's about more than building businesses. It's about investing in the next generation of leaders.
What College Elm actually brings to the table is that relationship with the university.
When students and professionals share a space, something special happens. Mentorship becomes real, growth becomes possible, and big ideas, they start to take flight. This is more than a workspace. It's where ideas are nurtured, where mentors become allies, and where futures begin. Welcome to College Elm.